Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious banana bread at home easily. We'll start by gathering all our simple ingredients. You'll need 3 to 4 very ripe bananas, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of melted butter. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit now, so it's ready to go. First, grab your very ripe bananas. The riper they are, the sweeter and more flavorful your bread will be. Mash them thoroughly in a large mixing bowl using a fork or potato masher. Next, pour in 1/2 cup of melted butter and crack in 2 large eggs. Stir these together until well combined. Finally, add 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing until everything is smooth and creamy. Now let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate medium-sized bowl, whisk together 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a small pinch of salt. Once these are well combined, gradually add the dry mixture to your wet banana mixture. Be careful not to overmix. Stir just until the flour streaks disappear. Overmixing can lead to tough banana bread, and we want it perfectly tender. Carefully pour your delicious banana bread batter into a greased 9 by 5-inch loaf pan. Place it into your preheated oven and bake for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your bread is ready. Once baked, let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly moist banana bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.